Still drive.
Nice car though.
I just don't have reverse.
Yeah,
And
I gotta go get my car.
I got a Nissan 240SX. It's a 1989 model. And I got a 200SX, which is an 84 model. Yeah. I'm gonna restore that 200 all the way back.
Are you?
Yeah.
Cause it'll probably be worth some money, huh?
It's a turbo model too, so those are rare.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I bought it for $750 with cash. Mm-hmm. And the other one, dude, he's like, man, they be some mind manipulator down here. Oh, let me keep this da 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 da, so I can do another one with my kid. How you gonna know your kid gonna like the same thing you like?
You don't know.
Exactly.
You don't know.
Yeah, there's drinks and stuff. I got sodas in here. I got Fanta, Coke, and Sprite.
Let me have your Fanta.
The strawberry.
That's okay.
Alright. You want anything to drink?
That's a Coke.
Coke. I bought them. It was supposed to be on a deal, but I couldn't get my app to work.
Really?
Or my phone number to work. Yeah.
Oh wow.
The funny thing is, I used to be doing the same thing them kids doing, climbing on roofs and stuff,
Yeah, I remember that.
climbing up trees and all
I
that.
remember that.
I missed that Christian camp. That was fun.
The Christian camp.
Yeah. I'm kind of mad we moved from out there because there's way more stuff to do.
Where? Ocho?
Yeah.
Well, she was thought that
And the
man
people are a lot nicer.
She thought that man really loved her.
I told her.
I told her too. You know what? I said, woman, you got
Once I said something, Grandma and Grandpa started listening. Mm-hmm.
You know, Patrick, I met my real mom. Did your mom tell you that?
No, really?
Yeah.
What?
And guess what? I look just like her. I
Dang.
was shocked. I was shocked. And then, I'm Cherokee Indian. My mother's 100% Cherokee Indian.
Oh, we all Blackfoot Indian, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apache.
Mm-hmm. That's that real Indian.
Yeah.
My dad showed me some stuff. There's landmarks of Indians that are in the ground that have been there for years.
This is a nice little boy.
Even though I don't know. Oh, he's cute. He looks just like y'all. I don't know if it's real, but he showed me. What are these photos at?
What the hell?
Yeah, it's called Badlands Guardian.
Have you heard of the Sidemores?
Oh, what?
The Sidemores.
Sidemores?
The Sidemores is a tribe. That's where my family originated from.
See, I got adopted into one next door to us because they see me shooting my bow and stuff and all that. Then they I don't know, they be feeling my vibration or something because they walk right up on me. I'm like, wait, where'd y'all just come from? And they're like, oh, we just want to invite you into our tribe. Your name's gonna be Little Buffalo.
I don't know, like, what the heck?
Yeah, I was like, what? I think I was fishing or something.
I have two white brothers. One's
Okay.
a tattoo artist. See my tattoos? I didn't never think I was
You
gonna
want
get that.
tattoos? I want these ones on there.
Do you?
That's for clear head of mind and shoulders. But it's like a Omega sign as well.
I told your mom I might ride with you and pick her up. We might ride with you.
Oh, that's fine. That is fine.
This was me when I was a little kid.
Dang, I still got my baby photos.
And I was like, oh my
And
God.
each one of them, I look different, and each single one of them is weird.
I got to show you a picture of me and my mom. We standing right next to each other. It is so funny.
How'd you two meet? That's what I want to know.
Let me tell you how I did it, Patrick. I went on, my sister, the one you asked me about, she sent for me for my birthday one year. So I went on the 23andMe. So me and Elise was looking and she was like, Mama, that's ridiculous. So I hit up this guy, his name is Odie, which is my nephew now. And I'm like, hey, I'm trying to find my family. I'm going to go.
You want some salt, pepper, and the...
And I said, he said, okay, well, hold on.
Wait.
So it took me like a week. He got back with me. He was like, you need to call my pops. I said, my pops? Your pops? That's what we call my brother. I said, okay. So he sent me the number. I texted him. I'm like, hey, you don't know me, but I'm kind of looking for my family. And so it wasn't 3 seconds later, Patrick, my phone rung. He was like, I said, hello. He said, hello. He said, I'm your long-lost brother. I said, what?
What?
So we started talking. We talked for like hours. And so he was like, well, I'm going to go talk to Mom in the morning because she's not going to believe it. So she didn't believe it. She said, well, no, that's not her. That's not her. So my brother, he said, okay, I'll show you a picture.
Right.
He showed her a picture of me. And she said, holy shit. Then he said, go get your marriage license, because she said she got married the same year I was born. So
What?
her marriage license said 1968. He said, yeah, Mom, and she was born in 1968. So, this is my dad, my real dad. He's deceased though.
He looks like somebody I know though.
Yeah, he's deceased though. He's deceased though.
Look up on Facebook, Jason Gray. He looked just like him.
Oh, this is my brother.
Okay.
That's Tim.
Everybody got a white side of their family.
Yeah,
You just gotta dig for it.
Right here. That's me, my mother, and both my brothers.
That's your mother?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right. I remember you used to be real skinny though.
Man.
Yeah.
I thought, yeah, I see you. And that's the tattoo artist, the one with the white beard.
Okay.
He's a tattoo artist. If you look up small town tattoos in Kentucky, he has 3 shops. He has one in Paintsville, Pikesville, and he has one in Paris, Kentucky. And now he's ready to open up 2 coffee shops.
Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna put that straight in the green. I would just put the meat straight in there. Grab a metal.